Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn about what is meant by Legendre's linear equation or Legendre's linear differential equation. What is the standard form of Legendre's linear equation and how to find out solution of such differential equation. Okay. Basically, Legendre's linear equation, it is the linear differential equation with variable coefficients, and after using appropriate substitution it will transform into linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay, so it is in the form of variable coefficient and we transform it into constant coefficients, and finally we will find out complementary function and particular integral. So first of all, I state the definition or what is meant by Legendre's linear equation. So a differential equation of the type a naught into ax plus b raised to power n into d raised to n y upon dx raised to n. Okay, plus a1 into ax plus b raised to power n minus 1 into d raised to n minus 1 y upon dx raised to power n minus 1. So you continue in this way, you will get second last term as an minus 1 into ax plus b into dy by dx plus an y is equal to f of x. So this is the form of Legendre's linear equation. It is in the form of linear differential equation with variable coefficient. Okay, a naught, a1, a2, an minus 1 and an, these are constants, and this is the function f of x. It is the function of x which is on the right hand side. So this is the form of Legendre's linear equation. And how to identify this? If the differential equation is given, then how to notice that is it Legendre's linear equation? The procedure is very simple. What is that procedure? You look at first order derivative dy by dx. So ax plus b is multiplied by dy by dx. Then if you look at second order derivative, you will notice that ax plus b whole square it is multiplied. If I want to take any particular example, so I will say x plus 2, 2x plus 3 whole square into d square y by dx square plus 2 times 2x plus 3 into dy by dx plus 5y is equal to, let us say, some function of x. So this is Legendre's linear equation, because dy by dx it is multiplied by 2x plus 3, d square y by dx square it is multiplied by 2x plus 3 whole square. So this is the procedure to identify that differential equation is Legendre's linear equation or not. Now how to transform this equation into LD with constant coefficient? Okay, so substitution is put ax plus b is equal to e to the power z. Remember that this is very important substitution. Put ax plus b is equal to e to the power z. Therefore z is equal to log of ax plus b. Z is equal to log of ax plus b. And using this substitution, see how I find the value of dy by dx. Again we are changing independent variable. So therefore dy by dx it becomes dy by dz into dz by dx. So is equal to dy by dz into, what is dz by dx? Differentiation of z with respect to x. So it is 1 upon, first of all, differentiation of log 1 upon ax plus b into a. So therefore this can be expressed as ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to a I will write here capital D into y, where capital D stands differentiation with respect to z. So this is the replacement for first order derivative. Replace ax plus b into dy by dx by a dy. Then similarly, you apply the same logic. Similarly, you can show that you replace ax plus b whole square into d square y by dx square is equal to a square into d minus 1 into y. And you continue in this way. So therefore, nth order derivative ax plus b raised to power n into d raised to n y upon dx raised to n is equal to a raised to n into d minus 1 d minus n minus 1, okay, into y. So these are the replacement for ax plus b into dy by dx. Then square is this, and for nth order derivative this. So observe, using this substitution, you replace all these expressions by corresponding expressions. So it will transform into linear differential equation with constant coefficient. And once you get this form, so you can easily find out complementary function and particular integral. So I will explain this procedure with the help of example. Now solve this differential equation. Solve x plus 1 whole square into d square y by dx square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 sine of log of 1 plus x. Solve this differential equation. Now first of all verify, is it Legendre's linear equation? Okay, how to identify? So dy by dx, x plus 1 is attached with dy by dx. X plus 1 whole square is attached with d square y by dx square. It means this is the given differential equation. Given differential equation is Legendre's linear equation or linear differential equation. So put x plus 1 is equal to e to the power z. So what is our substitution as per the procedure? Ax plus b. So a is 1 here and b is also 1. So therefore z is equal to log of x plus 1. Now replace x plus 1 into dy by dx by capital dy, where capital D stands d by dz. And one more replacement is there, x plus 1 whole square into d square y by dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 into y. In fact, replacement is a into dy, but a is 1 here. Here a square into d minus 1y, but a is 1. Now after replacing this, the given differential equation takes the form, now I write, it will take the form, therefore replace this by this. So d into d minus 1 into y plus x plus 1 into dy by dx, that is dy plus y is equal to 2 sine of, now write this in terms of z, because here independent variable is z. Capital D stands d by dz. So log of 1 plus x. So it is z, because we have said that x plus 1 is equal to e to the power z. Now this will now d square minus, I will write d square minus d plus 1 into y is equal to 2 sine z. So cancel this. So what remains? D square plus 1 into y is equal to 2 sine z. Now it is LDE with constant coefficient. This is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So determine complementary function. So y suffix c, auxiliary equation is m square plus 1, roots are plus minus I. So complementary function is c1 cos z plus c2 sin z. So I write c1 cos z plus c2 sin z. Do remember that write the solution in terms of z first and then write in terms of x. So because most of the students they write this in terms of what? X immediately. So first write in terms of z and then in terms of x. So this is your complementary function. I will write this in terms of x at the end. Now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square plus 1 operated on 2 sin z. So is equal to 2 times. Now shortcut method. So replace d square by minus 1. Case of failure, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So multiplied by z divided by differentiation, 2d operated on sin z. So it is 2z, 2z upon 2. What is integration of sin z? It is minus cos z. So particular integral is, you cancel these two, it is simply minus z cos z. Now finally I write complete solution or general solution. Therefore general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. That is complementary function plus particular integral. So therefore y is equal to c1 cos. Now what is z? We have mentioned at the beginning x plus 1 is equal to e to the power z. Therefore z is equal to log of x plus 1. So c1 cos of log of x plus 1 plus c2 sin of log of x plus 1. This is complementary function in terms of x minus plus particular integral. So minus z. What is z? Z is log of x plus 1 into cos of z. So cos of log of x plus 1. So complementary function plus particular integral. This is the complete solution or general solution of given differential equation. Thank you for watching this video.